Knuckle cracks explained. The sound of cracking your knuckles isn't your bones grinding, it's actually tiny bubbles inside your joint fluid collapsing at speeds faster than a jet plane. That sharp pop you hear is a burst of energy as these bubbles suddenly implode, sending shockwaves through your fingers. Scientists used high-speed cameras to capture what's really happening inside your joints. Every time you stretch or pull your knuckles, the pressure changes and causes bubbles to form in the synovial fluid, the natural lubricant in your joints. When the bubbles can't handle the pressure, they collapse in an instant, producing that iconic cracking sound. The whole process happens so fast it outpaces the speed of sound, making your knuckle pop a miniature sonic event. So next time someone tells you cracking your knuckles is bad for your bones, you can tell them it's actually a wild physics show happening right inside your fingers.